Hey, what's up, everyone? Join me for a tour of Park Independencia in Santo Domingo, zona Colonial. I'm not a history expert, just a curious explorer. Let's uncover the stories of the Dominican Republic's founding fathers at Altar de la Patricia.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
It's pleasure. You know what it is? Independent Park.
Thank you. You said Independent Park.
Yes. They call Independent Park. You know why? Because this country government called for Haiti. 1822 to 1844. 27 February separated the island. Haiti and Dominican Republic, same island, but different countries. Haiti speak Creole and Dominican speak Spanish. Every Dominican people got a mixed rice.
Gracias. As I give you guys a tour of this beautiful park, just keep in mind that the video might not do it justice, but just pause and soak in the beauty of the park's botanical wonders. It's a green haven in the heart of Santo Domingo. If you guys didn't know, the design and the architecture of this amazing landmark was actually influenced by the French gardens of the 19th century. It was created to provide a serene type of atmosphere. Like I said, guys, I'm not a history expert, but here's a quick fun fact. Did you guys know that this park was actually once a battlefield? Yes, this actual park was once a battlefield, but now it's a peaceful oasis in Santo Domingo.
Tell me why I'm the only one sweating like a dog out here. I mean, it's really hot, and I'm from Florida. I mean, obviously, I think the biggest thing here is that obviously back home I don't have a reason to be walking around all day and checking things out and exploring, but having to do so here, whew, you do feel the heat. But it is nice out though. I'm in.
Seeing that, like I said, that this amazing landmark was once a battlefield. Keep in mind, guys, that this landmark was an integral part of the Dominican Republic's struggle for independency. The landmark witnessed a plethora of key events throughout the Dominican Republic's history, and again throughout its fight for independence. As you guys admire the beauty of this beautiful park, keep in mind that Park Independencia is not just history, it's a living testament to the resilience of the Dominican people. Remember, this land, these groups of people have gone through a lot to be where they are today. Okay, guys, what is this over here? Let's take a look inside. If you guys know what this is, please just let us know in the comments. But it's really cool, and you can see all the autographs or signatures and stuff that are in here. I'm not sure what it is or what this thing was used for, but it's really cool. Okay, guys, our tour has finally come to an end. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and do remember to like, comment, and share. Thank you.